guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going over my easy to follow guide on how to set up an LLC 2 different ways. So the first way we're going to talk about is going through the 6 steps solo. But don't worry, I'll be guiding you through each step and explaining everything you need to know about the process to help you set up your LLC. The second way leaves all the heavy lifting to a professional company such as Tailor Brands. Now, for those of you who haven't heard of them, Tailor Brands is essentially an all-in-one online platform that has helped more than 500,000 businesses form their own LLCs. Another great thing about them is that their team of experts will walk you through the process step by step, and the whole thing will only take a few minutes of your time. So if you want to learn more about LLCs and how to set one up, then welcome, you're in the right place. And before we move on, if you like this review, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more reviews. And just to be upfront, I do these reviews on brands that I'm interested in, and then I share what I know about them with the hope that this will help you choose what's right for you. If you want to check out anything I mentioned today for yourself, there are affiliate links in the description. Using them, I earn a commission at no added cost to you, which does really help support the channel. So what exactly is an LLC? A limited liability company, or LLC for short, is a type of business structure that combines the flexibility and simplicity of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. By forming an LLC, you establish a separate legal entity for your business, separating your personal assets from your company's liabilities. In other words, if your LLC has any legal problems or even debt, your personal assets probably cannot be used to pay those bills. Also, LLCs offer flexibility in management, taxation options, and the ability to bring in multiple owners, known as members, who can share in the company's profits and losses. This versatility and the liability protection it provides makes the LLC a popular choice for many entrepreneurs starting a new or existing venture. Now, you can set up an LLC 2 different ways, like I mentioned before. To kick things off, I'm going to start with the DIY approach, where you go through the filing process yourself. So that being said, we're going to get started and hopefully give you a good idea of what setting up an LLC looks like. So the first step is to choose a name for your LLC. Make sure the name you pick is unique and not already in use by another business. Now, each state has its own guidelines for naming an LLC, so it's important to check the business name database maintained by your Secretary of State. Also, avoid using names that can be easily confused with existing ones, and certain words that may require additional paperwork, like bank or Inc. The second step is to pick the state where you want to register your LLC. Most of the time, it is best to choose your home state, or the state where you run your business. This is basically because local lawyers tend to know the laws about setting up and running an LLC in their home state, and having government offices close by can be super helpful. Also, if you want to take your business to other states, you will need to register as a foreign LLC there as well. Now, the third step to opening an LLC is getting a registered agent. A registered agent is basically a person or business responsible for handling legal documents on behalf of your LLC. They serve as the point of contact for your business and receive all important papers, like regulatory notices and legal filings. Also, depending on state laws, your registered agent can be someone within your company or even a professional service, and they should have a physical address in the state and be available during business hours. For step number 4, you must file the Articles of Organization with the Secretary of State. This document, which is also called a Certificate of Formation or Certificate of Organization in some states, should include your LLC's name, designated registered agent, and management structure. There's typically a one-time filing fee that varies by state, ranging from $40 to $500. Once filed, it usually takes 3 to 7 days for processing. And once that is approved, you'll get a state certificate of organization. Okay, now step number 5 is going to be pretty important for your LLC, forming an operating agreement. Even though most states don't require it, this document outlines the organizational structure, daily duties, and general rules of your LLC. It clarifies the rules and responsibilities of LLC members, ownership percentages, profit distribution methods, and decision-making processes. So, as you probably see, an operating agreement helps prevent misunderstandings and should be updated whenever there are changes in membership or management. Now, coming from someone who owns several businesses, This is a must in order to avoid misunderstanding and problems you might face down the line. The sixth and final step is to get an employer identification number, or EIN. This is like giving your business a social security number. It is basically a 9-digit number that the IRS has assigned for tax filing purposes. So consider obtaining an EIN if you plan to open a business bank account, apply for a business loan, or even pay business income taxes. The process for obtaining an EIN is free and can be done online or by mail directly through the IRS. Now, if finding all the necessary paperwork and forms to establish an LLC sounds like too much of a headache, there is another way. I can confidently say that my time is so much more valuable than dealing with this, which is why I chose Tailor Brands so they can do it for me. So if time is of short supply, you lack the expertise to handle the paperwork, or you simply value your time and don't feel like dealing with all the paperwork, then there's a simpler alternative, which is basically hiring a company formation service like Tailor Brands to take care of everything for you. Alright, so personally, I see Tailor Brands as one of the best business formation services out there, especially for beginners, because they take care of everything on your behalf. Now, don't get me wrong, there are other great services that I also tried, like Zen Business, LegalZoom, and Swift Filings, and I will leave review videos down in the description if you want to learn more about them as well. Now, before we get further along, let me tell you more about Tailor Brands. They were founded in 2014 to give new businesses everything they needed to launch successfully. The founders of the company realized that the new businesses they were launching weren't taken seriously until they had business cards with a logo and other assets. So they went about creating a one-stop shop to give startups everything they needed in one place. So they made an AI-powered site that is centered around a logo maker that also gives you a website, digital business cards, and merchandise, along with registration and management services, so that you can get everything from them for a yearly subscription or by selecting individual services as you need them. Now, let me show you the process of applying for an LLC with Tailor Brands. You can complete the application in just 3 straightforward steps, which will take you around 5 minutes to complete. The first step is to specify your state. On the Tailor Brands official website, you will find a Choose Your State field. Simply click the drop-down menu and select your state. After that, click on Get Started. For the next step, you'll need to respond to some simple questions. So basically, you will come across a series of questions that help the platform understand your business. These questions cover aspects such as your business name, the products or services you offer, whether you'll have employees, and the current stage of your business. Additionally, you'll be asked to provide your personal information, including your name and email address. And just to be clear, this information is solely used for forming your LLC and will not be shared with anyone else. The last thing you need to do is send in your LLC application and move on to the payment options. Once you have provided all the necessary information, Tailor Brands will take care of submitting your LLC application on your behalf. So, as you can see, the entire process is quick and efficient, taking less than 5 minutes of your time. Basically, Tailor Brands handles all the hard work for you, so you can have peace of mind while opening your LLC and focus solely on your business. So, in a nutshell, this sums up both ways to set up an LLC. By 1, doing it all yourself, or 2, have Tailor Brands do everything for you. At the end of the day, Tailor Brands is a great option for setting up an LLC for your business. It offers a fast and user-friendly experience, and the additional services like logo design, website building, domain registration, and business cards adds even more to its value. The prices for their services are reasonable, making it a worthwhile investment in terms of the time and hassle you save. I recommend Tailor Brands for anyone starting a new business who needs everything from incorporation to brand identity and online presence in one easy and quick solution. So for convenience and a quick and seamless startup process where all you need to start with is a business name, Tailor Brands has you covered. And that's going to be it for today. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more. And like I mentioned before, if you want to try Tailor Brands out, and of course, you can find the affiliate links for what we covered down below. If you use them, we earn a commission at no extra cost to you, but it does help us make more videos for you to enjoy. So thank you for supporting the channel. Also, feel free to leave any questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.